Losing a job is undeniably one of life's most stressful experiences. It feels as if your world has been turned upside down. The emotional toll is significant as you grapple with losing your sense of purpose and identity. On top of that, the pressing concern of how to pay bills and support your loved ones can be overwhelming. The emotional roller coaster that follows job loss is intense. Common reactions include shock, denial, anger, and eventually acceptance. It's crucial to acknowledge these feelings, but also to take proactive steps to regain control. The loss of routine and structure can lead to feelings of drifting aimlessly, which can further exacerbate anxiety and depression. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Financial instability is a major concern after losing a job, especially if you were living paycheck to paycheck. Suddenly, that paycheck is gone, and the stress can be crippling. The first step towards recovery is to take a close look at your finances. Make a list of all your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back. This is the foundation for regaining control. Creating a budget is essential. Be ruthless in evaluating your expenses. Do you really need that gym membership or streaming service? Cutting back on non-essential expenses can free up funds for necessities. It's about making tough decisions to ensure your financial stability. Prioritize essential expenses like rent, utilities, and food. This disciplined approach will help you navigate this challenging period. Unemployment benefits can provide a vital lifeline during this time. Explore your options and apply for any assistance available. Additionally, reach out to creditors to inquire about temporary hardship programs. Many companies offer support to those facing financial difficulties. Taking these steps can alleviate some of the immediate financial pressure and give you breathing room to plan your next move. While cutting expenses is crucial, finding ways to generate income is equally important. Consider selling items you no longer need or taking on a side hustle. These efforts can provide a financial cushion. Remember to prioritize essential expenses, ensuring that your basic needs are met. This balanced approach will help you maintain stability as you work towards long-term solutions. Let me share Sarah's story. She was a marketing manager who was laid off due to company restructuring. Devastated but determined, she created a budget and cut unnecessary expenses. She explored new job opportunities and eventually landed a role that paid better and aligned with her passions. Sarah's journey is a testament to the power of determination and hard work in overcoming adversity. Recovering financially from job loss requires practical steps and a shift in mindset. Take control of your budget, cut expenses, and explore new opportunities. It's not easy, but it's achievable. Remember, you're not alone. Millions have faced similar challenges and emerged stronger. If you've experienced job loss, share your story in the comments. For more tips on financial planning and job search strategies, check out my next video. Thank you for watching, and stay resilient.